Alright, my YouTube family, I greet you all. Welcome you guys to this week episode. If it is your first time coming across this my YouTube channel, please do well to like and subscribe. I document my trading journey here. Everything about my journey is on this my YouTube channel. So this week I take a total of 5 trades. This week is crazy because I've been trying how to take 1-2 trades in a week, but still, but it's my setup. There's nothing I can do about it. So I took a total of 5 trades this week. My first trade I took on Wednesday, and it's a US starting sell. You can see the trade, and the trade hit SL. I lost 1% on Wednesday. Then on Thursday I took 2 trades, on gold. I had a buy setup, but I saw another sell setup. So I wanted to take the sell setup to my entry where my buy setup is. It was a counter trend. So when I took the trade, it stopped me out with a little bit of peep. It just stopped me out with a wick and then drop. You all saw the sell on gold on Thursday. So the sell stopped me out with just weak and then drop, and I'm sure that same thing will happen to most of you watching this video. Now I was also a victim of that weak out, so I lost 1% on the sell. When the market got to my POI for the buy, I also took the buy and I lost the buy too. So I lost 2% on Thursday, making it total of 3%. Then on Friday, the same thing that happened on gold happened on US 30. But this US 30, I already had this buy setup since Saturday last week when I analyzed my weekend trade. So I had that buy setup. All my plan on US 30 was for the market to just get to that point of interest on 4 hours. So I would take my buy. As you all know, US 30 is very, very bullish at the moment. So I was waiting for that buy throughout the week, and I was even ready to hold this buy, for the weekend. So on Friday, I saw another setup, another sell setup. I already had my pending order on for the buy, Then I saw another setup for the sell. When I saw the market come close to that point of interest on 4 hours, then start going up again. So when I check on the 1 hour time frame, I saw that there is a point of interest for a sell where the market can possibly tap into, then drop to trigger my 4 hour point of interest. So I took that sell. I set a pending order. So when the market got there, triggered me for the sell, and that was 1:3.5 hour, just 1:3.8, 380. Yeah. So let's just call it 1:3.5. So it triggered me, and at that point I was not on my chart. I was sleeping because I was very tired, fell asleep. So the sell triggered me. I was not able to screen record and all that. The sell triggered me, hit TP, triggered the buy, but the buy stopped me out. So this week I took total of 5 trade. 1 trade on Wednesday, 2 trade Thursday, 2 trade Friday. So my win gave me 3.5%. Then I lost 5%. For this week I was down 1.5%. It is not up to 1.5%, because the winning was close to 1:4. But let's just call it 1.5%, which is very fine for me. I will come back next week and we'll do our thing. Now, like I told you guys, I started an IK class, and it's just like this is what I've been waiting for all along. Since I mastered trading, one thing has been my problem: top-down analysis. That has been my big problem. I've tried everything. I've tried to bypass it, in some ways. There was a time I had this strategy that all I need is just daily high and low, previous day high and low, then Asian high and low. And when I come to the chart, I only analyze on 15 minutes and I take my trade on that 15 minutes. I do have wins with it, but sometimes when I want to have losses, I'll have that losses back to back, back to back, back to back, because I don't have the understanding of higher time frame. I don't know what the higher time frame is saying. So this top-down analysis was a very big problem for me. How to analyze, from like monthly time frame, weekly time frame, daily, 4 hours, 1 hour, then finally took my trade with 15 minutes or 5 minutes. It has been a very big problem for me. So sometimes while analyzing, I get confused. For me to get accurate market direction, the market has to be on a clean trend. So that has been a very big problem for me all this while. But this Tony Ike, I think this is a strategy I would like to work with all my life, because it's very simple. Just get your market structure, your liquidity, your point of interest, and you are good to go. And the best part is, any time frame that give you these criteria, clean, any time frame that give you these criteria perfectly, you can take that trade there. Then you can the top-down analysis is very simple. Once you get your market structure from daily or 4 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour, even 30 minutes, 45 minutes, you are good to go. So I think this is the simplest strategy I've come across since I started my trading journey. So I'm going to stick with this one. Right now, I'm in a state of unlearning to learn. So I have to unlearn everything that I've learned in the past years to learn this one and stick with it. Although it's for me that has been on the journey for more than 2 years now. So there's nothing to learn there. Just your point of interest, liquidity, and market structure. That is all. That's all that you need. That is all, according to him, that is all that is going to teach. And you already taught the market structure part of the strategy, then your POI, which he trade only breaker block and other block. Very simple strategy. Very simple. The simplest strategy that I've come across. I'm telling you. So I'm going to stick to this strategy. And to be honest, the trade I took this week was executed based off this strategy, this Tony Ike strategy. So you can see how simple it is. You can start from his first class. You can start trading if you already know everything about forex, because the class is not for beginners anyways. He also said it. If you are following him on Twitter, you will see whenever he make the post for his recruitment, he also tell the audience that this strategy is not for beginners, as in he doesn't teach beginners, it's for advanced people. So if you advance, you can pay and then learn from him. But if you don't, you can at least find another mentor who will teach you from scratch. So that is it. I'm going to stick with him and I will see how it goes. But I think this is what I need. This is the strategy I'm sticking with. So I will catch you guys on the next one. This is my P&L for the week. You can see. So I'm going to catch you guys next week. Peace. Wishing you guys a happy weekend and a profitable week ahead. See you guys.